Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anjali, and in today's video I'm going to share my night skincare routine because recently I've added few new products in my routine, so I really wanted to show you guys. This is going to be a very basic and minimal night skincare routine. First, I'm going to remove my makeup as I just came from a event. So first I'm going to take my most favorite micellar water. This is Garnier oil infused micellar water. I'm taking into a cotton pad and I'm just going to gently remove my makeup. It easily dissolves makeup, even it removes waterproof makeups as well, and it doesn't leave your skin dry. After removing my makeup, I make sure to clean my face with a good cleanser. Today I'm using Garnier Complete Vitamin C Serum Face Wash. I just make sure to clean my face deeply when I'm out for whole day with makeup. If you watch my videos, you know my love for Linne's Sleeping Lip Mask. I'm in love with this product, guys. This is so hydrating and it will make sure to plump your lips in the morning. If you haven't got your hands on this product, go and get this product right now because this is worth your money. I recently added this viral toner in my routine. This is Tony Moly Wonder Rice Smoothing Toner. This is worth the hype, guys. This is a very good toner for dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, you can use this toner. This is a rice toner. This is a huge bottle, guys. It's going to last for months. I'm using this toner since 1 week and I can tell you the difference in my skin. It will make your skin smooth and bright because of rice. It will make your skin brighter and it's going to work on your pores very well. I don't know how to use it because it is a huge bottle. I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle. I think it would be easier to use. Keep hydrated yourself, drink as much as water you can drink. This is very important and it plays very important role to your health, to your skin, to your hair, and everything is related to water. So drink too much water, guys. Water intake is not negotiable. I'm using this Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule for quite some time and I'm loving it. It contains niacinamide and tranexamic acid to reduce the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation and dullness. Also, it is suitable for all skin type. I take generous amount of product and I'm going to massage it until it absorbs into my skin completely. I was dealing with dark circle, but then I find this holy grail product and I can bet you if you have dark circles, start using under eye cream, and this one from M Caffeine is has my heart. This one makes sure to reduce your dark circles, guys. I can bet you. Just get this product. This is so hydrating and soothing. With this, I'm done with my skincare routine, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I've just washed my hair, I'm not doing anything with my hair today. I'm leaving it to air dry like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.